Good morning, Namaste, Pranam to all brothers and sisters of India. Today I am Dr. Divaaran Cochin. My subject is medical science and astrology. Today I am going to speak about Saturn, ultimate arbiter of destiny. In astrological parlance, Saturn is known as the most difficult of all the major planets. He is the he is the legendary king of the malefic planets. He has been frightened throughout the centuries as the great god of death. It is the Karaga of death, diseases, separation, segregation, sorrow, penury, and solitarities. Life principles of Saturn are formation through restriction, discipline, and rigidity. Saturn's symbol is the cross. Matter is taking precedence over the half circle mind, human spirit. Saturn is the symbol of the limitation and destiny of the physical, through which the human spirit, evolving as mind, must penetrate to make further growth and consciousness. It has been identified with the psyche of God, Cronus, or time, father or time, Greek god of time. In mythology, Saturn was personalized by the Flamans as Saturns. He is the god of agriculture, founder of civilization and social order. The planet was called Seb, god of earth, by the Egyptians. In Vedic astrology, Saturn is the significator of disease, old age, and death, the great three enemies of human, which everybody must face. Lastly, by the direction of Kal, time god, as he is the most distanced in orbit of all the major planetaries. His influences must be faced in the end by us. He is the ultimate issue of our life and destiny. The hard facts or stern reality which we must have to face. From the standpoint of astronomy, the unique feature is Saturn's system or rings which encircle the planet's equator. Astrologically, this ring system can symbolize as the ring path knot of occult techniques, the cosmic thought of tone energized through the planet. The principles of Saturn corresponding to the function of the skin periphery is not the protective aspects, but a necessary boundary, structure limit, formative material. The anterior lobe of the pituitary has been called the conductor of the endocrine or testosterone. Its secretions help to develop masculine traits, which is essential for growth, especially the structure of bones and muscles. A badly placed weak Saturn is the main cause. The Saturn, which is very helpful to human beings. If Saturn is favorable, Pavagraha Balayuda Suvarga Soumyarshta Pave Ganagacha Vibalacha Soumya. If Saturn is in the Ucha or Sotshatra, Sotshatunga Mulatruganaha, Kandakeshu Avadaha, Asidacha, Nunyakaraha. Those who are born in the Libra Lakna, Saturn is the Yoga Karaka. And those who are born in the Vrshava Lakna, the Saturn is very favorable. It is the Lord of the 9th and Lord of the 10th. And Saturn gives very good result to them. But if Saturn is in the 8th house, Saturn gives longevity, more longevity. And Saturn also very good for the Saturn is the significance of death that takes away us beyond the limitations of worldly life, which is the great way to the eternal thought, straight and narrow as the razor's edge. Saturn is supposed to be connected with many widely known religions in the world. In universal zodiac, Ba Chakra, Saturn has been assigned Magara, Capricorn, and Kumbha, Aquarius signs, the 10th and 11th signs. It is well known to all of us that 10th Bhava, 10th house, respects avocation, and 11th Bhava stands for no acquiral benefit therefrom. Both action 10th Bhava and the reaction 11th Bhava are interconnected. That is Yandra, Karma, Tandra, Phala. Saturn decides the ultimate karma and the resultant phala effects. So there is no escape from Shani in karma. Saturn, the mantra of Shanishwaraya Vidmahe Shayaputraya Dhimahim Tanno Manda Prachodayat. Though if Shani favorable, the person is become very, very rich and all the comforts in life. He can enjoy everything in life. But if Saturn is unfavorable, he loses his job and health and everything. The family life also will be destroyed. If you like my subject, please subscribe and the bell button switch on. Thank you very much. I'll come tomorrow with the other subjects.